Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learning Network. So in this particular video, I will show you how to free up disk space in Windows 10. So the first option is you're going to actually click on the Windows icon right here, and then you're going to move over to the settings, dialog or button, whatever you want to call it, and then we're gonna go right over to where you see the term system, and you see it says display, sound, notifications, and power, but we are going to double click on system, and we want to find the storage tab. There it is right there. Double click on storage, and as you notice here, there's a ton of things that we can configure to help us free up some of our disk space on Windows 10. If you notice here, it says storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of the files you don't need, like the temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So if you turn this button on, it will automatically delete those unneeded files for you. But let's leave it off for now. And so if we scroll down a little further, you can see here that I have 915 gigabytes on my C drive, and I'm using 80 gigs so far. And so it will actually tell me what area is using up the most disk space. As you can see, I have 18.2 gig on my desktop that is being used. Apps and features are using 12 gig, and so on. So what I would like to do is get rid of all these temporary files, which is actually taking up 12 gig of space. That's quite a lot of space. So I'm going to actually go ahead and click that trash can, and it's going to scan through some of the temporary files, and in a few minutes it should give me an option to get rid of those files. Let's see what happens from here. You could also ask for optimization of the files as well, but right now I just want to get rid of it. So it will actually tell you what is about to get rid of. So temporary internet files, 374 meg, downloads. I have a bunch of downloads, so I don't want to delete those quite yet until I know exactly what's in my download section. So it's going to keep moving, and it's looking for packages, backup files, anything that it figures you do not need to operate. The system will actually delete those files. So okay, here we go. It should have finished. Let's scroll down a little bit more. And so if I want to go ahead and make sure that this option is taking place, so let me see here. Oh, it's still scanning. I was wondering what happened. Alright, so here now if I click remove files, and remember, whatever you check, that's what's going to be actually removed. So right now I'm just going to do the temporary files because I don't know what's in the logs. I don't know what's in the downloads. I want to make sure I look through everything first before I just go deleting everything all willy-nilly. Let me just go down here. I don't want to delete my error reports yet either. I just want temporary internet files deleted, and also the temporary files. Those two sections are the areas that I want to delete right now, and that adds up to 2.68 gig. That's quite a bit of space. So I'm going to go ahead and say remove files, and it's purging, and it purged those files. And so now you can see it actually lets you know finish temporary files cleanup, and that's pretty much pretty much what happens when you go to the section to delete those files. Alright, so let me just actually see if I can go back to our main system menu for you. I'm going to just click on home for a second. There we go. So if I go back to home, you're back to the main Windows settings screen. And of course, you could always go back as you need. But this is how you would go to delete those unneeded files that you want to get rid of. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. And make sure you click that subscribe button so you can see more videos that will be coming up from the Learning Network 2020. Thanks so much, everyone, and have a great day.